In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable agent mode in Lovable AI with this new step-by-step guide. If you've been navigating Lovable AI and you're curious about how to turn off agent mode, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through each part of the process, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. First things first, you want to open your web browser and head over to the Lovable AI website. It's a good idea to bookmark the site for easy access in the future, especially if you find yourself using it regularly. Once you're on the Lovable homepage, you'll need to select the specific project that you've been working on. Look for the Projects tab, usually located in a prominent or intuitive spot on the interface, often right after you log in. Clicking on it will bring up a list of your active projects. Select the one where you'd like to disable agent mode. This is your entry point into managing your project settings. After selecting your project, navigate to the File drop-down menu. This menu will include various options related to your project management. Among these options, find and select Settings. This is where all your configuration adjustments, including turning off agent mode, can be made. It might be a good idea to familiarize yourself with other settings here as well, as they could enhance how you manage your projects in the future. With settings open, your next step is to locate and click on the Labs section. This is where experimental or additional features reside, and it's also where you'll find the toggle option for agent mode. Think of the Labs section as a testing ground for new features or tools that could make your experience with Lovable AI more dynamic and tailored. Now that you're in the Labs section, it's time to disable agent mode. You'll notice a toggle switch within this page. Simply click to turn the toggle off. A change in the toggle position usually reflects if the agent mode is activated or deactivated. This process is quite straightforward, but if you're not seeing the toggle, it may require refreshing the page or ensuring you're in the right project settings. And there you have it, just a few clicks to turn off agent mode in Lovable AI. As a quick tip before we wrap things up, always double check the settings after making changes to ensure everything is set the way you want. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful for you. If you have any more questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out through the comments below. Happy creating with Lovable AI, and until next time, keep exploring new possibilities.